If you own a rental property that you're looking to sell in Columbus, Ohio, a property that is occupied by tenants or somebody else, and you're looking to sell it fast and conveniently here in Columbus, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we have been buying properties in their as-is condition, and we can buy these properties even with tenants in place. And this is very convenient for you, the person who's selling the property, because you don't have to deal with any evictions, you don't have to deal with any court costs, you don't even have to notify the tenant. We will handle any seemingly awkward conversations. We'll handle everything from start to finish. So if you're dealing with a tenant, maybe they're not even paying you, and you don't even want to go down this path of handling all the legal stuff, you could give us a call. We will pick up the ball wherever it's left, and we will handle everything moving forward. Another reason people like selling to us is we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. Now, we all know when you have a property that's rented out, it's lived in, it's going to need some repairs, it's going to need some miscellaneous. Even if it's the cleanest tenant in the world, there are still some types of repairs that are going to be needed to this property. We'll buy the property regardless of the condition. We'll handle everything from beginning to end if the property is occupied. If the tenant wants to stay in the property, we're very familiar with leases. We can leave the tenant in place. We can do any number of things. We understand the entire process because we've owned a lot of rental properties ourselves, and we continue to own a lot of rental properties ourselves here in Columbus, Ohio. So when we buy your property in Columbus, Ohio that is rented out, we're going to be a cash buyer. And this is different than a traditional buyer. A traditional buyer is somebody who's going to be working with a realtor, and they're going to want to inspect and do formal inspections on the property. They're going to need probably an appraisal because they're working with some type of loan or some type of financing that's contingent upon an appraisal. We're a cash buyer, and we're going to buy it in its as-is condition. And what that means is we're not relying on a bank approval. We're not relying on any approval whatsoever, and we can close on your timeline. This is extremely important. So when you're selling a property that has tenants in place in Columbus, Ohio, we will close when you want to close. If you want to close quickly, we absolutely can make that happen since we're a cash buyer. If you need more flexibility or something needs to happen else in your life before you can close on this property, by all means, we've seen it all. 1031 exchanges, when working with other landlords and stuff like that, we can help accommodate whatever your needs are. Since we are a true cash buyer, we can close on your timeline, whether you need speed or flexibility. So if you have a property that's rented out and you want to sell it in its most convenient and easy way possible, give us a call. We're here at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a simple form. We'll get on the phone. And when we get on the phone, we have these conversations all day, every day. It is going to be very easy. We just need to understand more about the property and then understand any time frames that you might be constrained by or working with. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer, most likely right there on the spot. And if our offer works for you, great. Then we can move forward, and when we work together, it's going to be very easy to work together, and we're going to communicate clearly the entire time. If our offer doesn't work for you, by all means, that's okay too. We can shake hands, we can part as friends. There's not going to be any pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics or anything like that. So if you have a property in Columbus, Ohio that is tenant occupied, a property that has people living in it, and you want to sell this property, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We will take care of everything for you. There's going to be no awkward conversations needed from you to this person that's living there. We'll handle everything professionally, and it's going to get done. My name is Dave Perichin. That number again is 614-300-5151, and our site is sellhousecolumbus.com. I really look forward to working with you, and I look forward to speaking to you.